We have successfully done our YouTube Shorts background. So let's click on play. You can see. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in our previous video we covered Canva, how to use Canva on mobile. So in today's video we are going to be covering elements. So what are elements? Elements are shapes, text, and stickers. So we are going to be creating something similar to this. So these are elements, effects, and animation. So let's get started. Click on the plus sign and go to your elements. Recently used. So type in shape here for you. For beginners, so you type in your shape. Then click on the square. Drag both sides to the edge. So this is good. Duplicate by clicking the plus sign there. Move this. So click on the plus sign and then go to text. Add the heading, then edit this by tapping your button. If this made you laugh, you drag, then you shrink it so that it can fit. Change the color. If it's black and black, you won't see the text. So you can see it now. This made me laugh. Then to add animation, you scroll at the bottom here. Add animation. I'll go typewriting. I'll go bounce. Then to add effects, click on the effects. Click on neon. I guess it's too big also. So we shrink it a little. Then position it. Duplicate this. Bring this down here. Comment below and remove this a little bit. Duplicate this, bring it down, select all, like, share, and subscribe. So move this a little bit. So we're going to make this a little bit smaller. So we can add emoji. Then if you want, like, if you are very precise, you want your work to be very precise, you go to the nudge and use the nudge to position your. This is one of the benefits of Canva Mobile. You don't have this nudge in your Canva. When you are using Canva on PC. So as you can see, there's a little space now. So all you have to do is duplicate this, select all, duplicate this, move this up, select all, delete everything from the box. Then you add your emoji. Make it a little bit smaller. Then you add animation to it. So just say roll. Okay, and you can duplicate this also. Move it here, change the emoji. Now you have, go to the notch, give it a little space. So now we have successfully done our YouTube Shorts background. So let's click on play. You can see that's how you do a YouTube short background with elements. The other styles also, if you want me to cover them, if you want me to cover other styles, like make other styles, so you make other style samples so you can watch and practice with. Then drop a like button, click the bell icon, and drop a comment below on what I should cover next. Thank you for sticking with me throughout the video. See you in the next video.